Hi everyone. In this video I am going to tell you what is Google Ads. Google Ads is Google's online advertising program. If you want to advertise your products or services on website or apps, with an eye on growing your business or sales, Google Ads is for you. Your ads appear on Google search results and Google network of publisher websites, and get the results that matter to you. Keywords connect you with customers. Keywords are words or phrases you choose when you set up your Google Ads campaign. These are terms you think your potential customers are likely to use when searching for products or services like yours. By matching your keywords with the ads you create, you make it possible for your ad to show when someone searches for similar terms or visits a website with related content. You can begin advertising by visiting www.ads.google.com. Let us take an example. Suppose we enter a keyword as buy laptop in Google. A lot of results appear in the search engine result page like this. As you can see in these results, on the left side it is shown ads, because this is an advertisement done through Google Ads. Next we will discuss about types of Google Ads campaign: search, display, shopping, video, app, smart, local, discovery. First let us see what are search ads. Search ads are text ads that are displayed on Google results pages. The benefit of search ads is that you are displaying your ad in the place where most searchers look for information first on Google. And Google shows your ad in the same format as other results except for denoting it as an ad. So users are accustomed to seeing and clicking on results. As we can see here, this is an example of search ads. Next is display ads. These are typically image ads that draw users' attention away from the content on the web page. This is an example of a display ad. Next is shopping. Shopping campaigns are ideal if you are a retailer looking to sell your product inventory. Shopping ads appear on search results in the Google Shopping tab. These are examples of shopping ads. Next is video. Video campaigns let you show video ads on YouTube and other websites. Some video campaign types can help you boost general awareness of your brand. Others are designed to drive conversions or get people to shop on your website. This is an example of video ad. Next is apps. App campaigns help you find new app users and increase sales within your app. This campaign type uses info from your app to automatically optimize ads across Search, Play, YouTube, Discover, and over 3 million sites and apps. As you can see, this is an example. Smart campaigns are the easiest way to get your ads up and running. Enter your business, create a few ads, and Google finds the best targeting to get you the most for your time and money. This is an example of smart campaign. Local campaigns. It helps you bring people to your physical stores and venues. Your ads will be automatically optimized to appear across Search, Display, Google Maps, and YouTube. This is an example. Discovery. If you go to your Gmail inbox, and if you look under your promotion tab, you will see that some of these ads over here, these text ads have actually got the word surrounded by a little green border. Those are actually ads that are placed in your ad box by marketers. This is a great way to get inside of your client's email inbox and advertise them there. Thank you for watching.